Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make shoga to kurumi no tsukudani. Tsukudani is something that is cooked down in sweetened soy sauce. There are many kinds of tsukudani, like beef tsukudani, shellfish tsukudani, and kombu seaweed tsukudani. Today I'm using shoga, which is ginger, and kurumi, which is walnuts. Very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need. 200 grams of ginger, 100 grams of walnut, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sake and mirin, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock. At first, I'm going to roast the walnut to create a nice toasty flavor. So let's spread it on the oven tray lined with parchment paper. Bake it for 10 minutes, 150 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, let's slice the ginger. I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it really well and then removed all the brown part and dried part. Let's make very thin slices first. Then into very thin strips. Same for the rest of the ginger. Walnut is roasted and it's smelling so good. Let's put them in a freezer bag and crush, but not too small. Like this. Slice ginger all into the frying pan. Half a teaspoon of instant Japanese soup stock, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 200 milliliters of water. Turn the heat on and just cook it until the ginger is nice and soft. I cooked it for about 10 minutes over medium-high heat and the broth is cooked down to half. Let's add the walnuts. And just keep cooking until there is almost no broth left. And it's very easy to burn, so mix it from time to time. It's been cooked for another 5 minutes and there is almost no broth left at the bottom of the frying pan. Turn the heat off and it's done. Shoga to kurumi no tsukudani is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Because it's very strongly seasoned with sweetened soy sauce, it's too strong to eat by itself. So let's have it with some plain rice. So some tsukudani on top of rice. And いただきます。Plain rice balance off the saltiness of tsukudani and it's so good. Other way I like to have it is with cracker and cream cheese. So let's put some cream cheese. And tsukudani. いただきます。 think it goes well with wine. めちゃくちゃ美味しくない？最高よね、これやっての人たちよ。これ結構美味しいね。美味しいでしょ。That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!